from the automobile industry. Now, the Chamber of Automobile Dealership Ghana, CADEG, has issued a resounding call for its certified members in the auto dealership industry to be granted a fair share of businesses associated with locally assembled vehicles. This plea came to light at the launch of the Ghana Automotive Code and an accompanying exhibition of Made in Ghana vehicles. According to the CADEG, the significance of fostering strong partnerships and cooperation within the domestic automotive sector will boost local business investments and the growth of automobile and spare parts dealership, thereby contributing to Ghana's economic development. We have on the line the president of CADEG and CEO of Nabus Motors, Nana Edu Bonsu Agyekum. Thank you very much for joining us, Nana.
Thank you very much, my brother. And good evening to your listeners across the country.
Good evening to you too. Now, can you confirm if Ghana has started assembling vehicles locally?
Yes, Ghana has started assembling vehicles locally. We have started this assembling process for some years now. And we have companies like Nissan, Japan Motors assembling Nissan Navara pickups. We have VW assembling Amarok, Passat, Polo, E-Cross, Tiguan, and Paramount. Then we have Toyota assembling Hilux double cabin pickups. Suzuki, that's the CFO, and Suzuki assembling Swift. And then Nissan with the Navara pickups as well. And then Peugeot assembling Peugeot, and then Landrek double cabin pickups. And we have Hyundai assembling Texan, Creta, Santa Fe, Elantra, and Palisade. And we have Shangan assembling Hunter pickups. And then we have ZX Auto assembling Telerot pickups. And then we have Kia. That's the Rana Motors assembling Cerato, K5, Sonet, Seltos, Sportage, Sorrento, and K27000, and then K3000X. So these are the locally assembling plants that we have. And these are the products that they have also been assembling in the last few years.
Okay. So it actually looks...
in addition to Kantanka, our own Kantanka.
Our own Kantanka.
These are the brands being assembled locally in Ghana, in addition to our very own local manufacturer Kantanka. Yes.
That gives this actually gives a picture of good prospects when it comes to the automobile industry in Ghana, doesn't it?
Yes, that's great.
Okay, so one may ask that why this call? Why are your members actually calling for a share in the locally assembled vehicles business in Ghana? Yeah,
we strongly believe that giving the local dealerships a fair share of businesses associated with the locally assembled vehicles is going to foster a very strong partnership and cooperation within the domestic automotive sector. And we believe that its impact will have a collaborative effort on the local business investment and the growth of the automotive and spare part dealership in Ghana, which we believe this will contribute to Ghana's economic development. And you know, the automotive industry in Ghana holds immense potential, and it has the power to drive economic growth, create employment opportunities, and contribute to the development of our dear nation. And giving us the opportunity to become the showcasing centers like dealerships, they manufacture the cars or they assemble the vehicles, and then giving it to the certified members of CADEG and other certified dealerships in Ghana will create a very good opportunity for members in the industry to flourish. And we're also calling for other dealerships who are not under the bracket of the chamber to also come and join forces of the chamber so that they can all become beneficiaries of this process that we are facilitating between the assemblers and then the auto dealerships. That's it.
You're talking about membership. Who are certified members in the auto dealership in Ghana, and who qualifies to be a member?
Well, the members, certified members in the dealership and the CADEG, these are members. CADEG is the Chamber for Automobile Dealership Ghana, CADEG. And we have members across all the regions in Ghana. And these members are certified members in good standing. They meet the standards set by CADEG as a chamber, and they have a very resounding capacity to handle such businesses. And then other members, we are also calling for other members who are not even members of CADEG. But CADEG now serving as a bridge between the dealership and then the stakeholders in the industry. So if you are a member or you are even a member of CADEG and you are a dealer and you are in a very good standing, you join forces with CADEG so that the collaborative effort between CADEG, Ghana Standards Authority, will be very, very good in ensuring that we benefit from this very industry. Because the assemblers will need market to sell their products. We are already in the industry. We have the dealership. We have the infrastructure. We have the various outlets across the country to sell these vehicles. They alone cannot do the business. So the call is to other dealers across Ghana, join forces with CADEG, together with Ghana Standard Authority. We can collaborate very well and get the business from the assemblers and market the products for them. I believe that this will create a very good business opportunity for all members across the industry.
Talking about the assemblers, do we see foreign companies owning a bigger share, or is it solely Ghanaians assembling?
This is the collaboration between what we know as local authorized dealers and foreign original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, for the assembly of vehicles in Ghana. Example, Toyota Ghana Limited is a local partner of Toyota to show in Japan, foreign, to build Toyota models in Ghana. Rana Motors is a local authorized dealer. It's a Ghanaian company, has partnered with a Kia International to assemble Kia model vehicles. Usually, the foreign OEMs or company will have to check whether the local company really has the ability to assemble the vehicle. So they do a lot of due diligence between the two partners before they are giving the license to assemble vehicles locally. And you have to keep in mind that even though it's a local foreign partnership, the foreign company OEMs like Kia, Honda, or Toyota, and the rest are mindful of their reputation worldwide and their integrity across globally, so that they do not just give anyone at all the license to assemble their vehicle if they have not passed through all the requirements and quality standards internationally and locally.
We've seen in time past vehicles manufactured have been recalled to the factories, some citing instability or substandard. Do you have the confidence in cars manufactured locally? Do they meet the required standard?
Yes. Ghana Standards Authority has standards that are being used by the assemblers. And Ghana Standards Authority certify the vehicles so they meet standards. If they do not meet the standards, they don't come in. And even if the OEMs realize a problem with the vehicle that they have manufactured or assembled, they recall it as part of their standard procedures to mitigate any risks and then ensure road safety on our roads. So recalling a vehicle or a product is part of manufacturing process. and it applies internationally. And the Ghana standard has its own standard, which is the Ghana Automotive Code, which was launched recently, a couple of weeks ago. And it has everything that needed to be done to ensure that quality standards are maintained and ensure safety on our roads. The users, and then the pedestrians, and then everybody who uses a vehicle will be safe in using such vehicles. Yeah.
Thank you very much for your time with us. Nana.
Thank you very much.
We are grateful.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
We just spoke to the president of the Chamber of Automobile Dealership Ghana, that's CADEG, and he's also the CEO of Nabus Motors, as Nana Edu Bonsu.